Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Unity Ads, a prominent platform for mobile game monetization and user acquisition. We'll explore its advantages, drawbacks, and provide a final rating to help you determine if it's the right fit for your marketing strategy. Before we begin, please note that the information provided is for informational purposes only. We encourage you to verify details directly with Unity for the most current information. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always conduct thorough research and consult with official representatives before making decisions. The opinions expressed here are personal and may not reflect the most up-to-date information. Let's start with the advantages of Unity Ads. First, it offers extensive reach. As a leading mobile game engine, Unity provides access to a vast and diverse audience, enhancing brand visibility. Second, the platform's advanced targeting capabilities allow advertisers to define their audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring ads reach the most relevant users. Third, Unity Ads supports various ad formats, including rewarded videos, interstitials, and banners, enabling creative flexibility to engage audiences effectively. Fourth, the integration with Unity's development environment allows for streamlined campaign management and seamless ad implementation within games, simplifying the advertising process. Lastly, Unity Ads provides detailed analytics and reporting tools, aiding in optimizing ad performance and maximizing revenue. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. First, the cost of advertising on Unity Ads can be relatively high, especially in competitive industries, which may strain budgets for small businesses. Second, while Unity Ads offers detailed analytics, interpreting these metrics can be complex, necessitating a learning curve for effective campaign optimization. Third, the platform's interface, while user-friendly, may require time to navigate effectively, especially for those new to mobile advertising. Fourth, some users have reported that the platform's customer support can be less responsive during peak times, potentially delaying issue resolution. Lastly, the saturation of ads within games can lead to ad fatigue among users, potentially diminishing engagement rates over time. In conclusion, Unity Ads presents a powerful tool for reaching a broad and engaged audience within the mobile gaming ecosystem. However, the associated costs, need for continuous optimization, and evolving platform dynamics require careful consideration. Balancing these factors is crucial to determine if Unity Ads aligns with your marketing objectives. Based on these insights, we rate Unity Ads an 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy advertising!